Okay, Stings, this will be the last part, part 3 for the Unit 5 test review. So we have 3 problems left to do. These are actually review type problems. These are things you have seen before. So we have a table of values for the function f of x given here. It says for which of the following, or says which of the following is equal to f of 5. So f of 5. X is the 5. So we go to the column where x is 5, and here is our f of x, because remember this is the f of x and this is x. So f of 5 is going to be 4. So for the domain and range, for the domain, I'll go ahead and do this. Remember, domain is our x. It runs. So we have a left and a right boundary for that situation. So x goes in the middle. Our left boundary goes on the left. Our right boundary goes on the right. This has a closed circle, so we put less than or equal. This had an open circle, so we put strictly less than. Okay, I'm going to make that horrible noise by blowing this up a little bit. Sorry about that. Okay, so that should help you on number 11 to see -3 to 1 for the domain. For the range, remember this is our y value. This is how high can we go, how low can we go. Y goes in the middle. Here's our ceiling or our maximum amount, and here's our minimum amount. It goes as low as -4, and that is included. It goes as high as 0, and that also is included. So there's the domain and range for this particular graph. Our final question, for which value of w is 20 equal to all of that? This is simply solving an equation. We don't have to worry about flipping or any of that situation, because this is not an inequality. This is just a straight equation. So we're going to have 20 equals -4w plus 6w plus 12. Now that was part of our simplifying process, but we're still not finished with the simplifying. We still have some like terms to put together. Now that we have both sides simplified, we can go along with our solving process. We can subtract to get rid of this 12. And then finally divide by a 2. We get 4 equals w. Or we could say w equals 4. So this is the final video for the review of your Unit 5 test.